Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can upload documents and search on DeepSeek. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open deepseek.com on any of the browser you have. You will be headed to this page over here. Just go ahead and tap on Start Now, and if you had logged into your account previously, you will be headed to this page, or else just go ahead and log in. It's quite simple. Now if you want to upload documents, you can see on the right hand side you can upload docs or images. The max amount is 50 and you can upload 150 MB of these docs or images each. So if you want to upload it, just go ahead and tap on this option over here, and you can just go ahead and select any PDF or any docs or any images. So this is a CV of mine. I'm gonna tell it to make it better. So after you do this, just go ahead and enter the enter button, and as you can do this, you can see that this will read all of my CV, and after it has read my CV, it will give me certain outputs. So wait for a while and you can easily do whatever you want by uploading the document yourself. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.